Hey guys, so I just wanted to pop in really quickly just to share my go-to super fast, super easy matcha recipe. I make it almost every morning. It's just like in the mornings, I just want to get my caffeine fast. I know that a lot of hardcore matcha makers use the bamboo whisk and the bowl, and I want to try that eventually. But as of right now, I just use the blender because it's just fast and easy. I do want to try the bamboo and whisk method just because it looks like a good weekend activity, especially since we're in quarantine. But for now, I use a blender and it works, and my matcha tastes delicious. So also, I'm lazy, and the whole bamboo whisk and bowl Monday through Friday in the morning, no, I don't have the spiritual energy for it. I lack the patience for that. By no means am I a matcha pro. My tip would be to just make sure it's a bright green, happy color. If it's that dark, swampy brown green and you find yourself hating matcha because it's really bitter, it could be the kind of matcha that you're getting. If it's brown and murky, it's probably gonna taste like bitter trash. Just being honest. So yeah, I'll go ahead and show you how I make it every morning. It's stupid easy, stupid fast. And I hope you enjoy this video because I did try to make it look all aesthetic and, you know, visual and beautiful and all that shit. So without further ado, here's the recipe.
Till my lips bound together. Pull me so close to you, devour my sweater. Touch me so softly and caress me so gentle. Love city, baby, let me be your adventure. Dear Maria, when around you naked. You think you a goodie, but you ain't no saint. Hold me, baby, and I ain't a snitch. Why is he really bad? He thinks he can get away with things.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Supports my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Don't you go too far away.